Hey, it's Jay with MotorcycleDriveGuards.com. Hope you're having a great day and staying safe. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about the black powder drop guards and the fact that we are back ordered. As I'm sure you're aware, the site shows that we're back ordered until September of 2023. We're getting a lot of calls, emails, and texts asking us if there are other options to order a set of drop guards to protect motorcycles. We've got a lot of customers have got training courses scheduled and they want to go out and practice on their new motorcycles, or they just want that added protection to their brand new motorcycle that they just purchased. So we're going to make you aware of that option, as so many customers have already figured out. What that is you can order a set of polished stainless steel drop guards, okay? And what you can do is you can have them powder coated for about $50 or so. That's what we pay here in Houston, Texas. $50 for a kit. Powder coating is inexpensive. There's so many people powder coating in their garages nowadays, all over the place. It's very inexpensive, easy process for a lot of people to do. The second option, instead of powder coating, you can spray paint them with Krylon black gloss spray paint. We get it from Sherwin-Williams. As a matter of fact, this drop guard right here has been spray painted, okay? This is a black powder coated drop guard. It's made out of 1020 steel. It was damaged, we repaired it, and we spray painted it. Very simple process, and it looks amazing, even on the bike. I mean, to me, it matches the Harley paint really well. So those are your options. If you don't want to wait until September, you can buy a kit of polished stainless steel, powder coat them, or spray paint them. Very simple, okay? Now, the benefit of ordering the polished stainless steel that we don't really broadcast, but it really doesn't matter because they both work extremely well to protect the bikes. The polished stainless steel is made out of 316L stainless steel. It's a low carbon stainless steel because we have to polish it to a high shine, okay? It's actually shinier than chrome. It looks better than chrome. Once you get it on the bike, if you stand back and look at it, you'll see it's a better finish, okay? The 1020 is also resistant to rust, okay? We don't need the high polish, so we use 1020. Yeah, it'll rust a little bit, but you're going to grind it out anyway if you decide to repair these, okay? Both the 316 and 1020 can be easily repaired. Let me show you. Here's a 316L that was damaged and repaired, okay? This one's been repaired. This is a brand new one. You can see the difference. Well, this one's probably got a little more fingerprints on it, but anyways, you can't tell. I mean, you really can't tell. Hopefully you can see that. But very easy to repair. You just grind it down. Once you grind the scratches out of it, you take a 316 weld, add it to there, grind it down nice and smooth, sand it from rough to smooth, and then polish it from all the way to the high shine, okay, on a buffing wheel. There's an auto parts place online that you can look up. Just look up buffing stainless steel, and you'll see all kinds of videos on it. You can call and get a buffing wheel for your electric drill. I wouldn't use a battery operated drill. An electric drill is going to have more power. It's going to do a better job. They give you all the rouge, everything, the sandpaper, everything to finish these right back to where they were when you bought them, okay? Now, with that being said, that's what it's going to look like after you've repaired it. This one has been damaged. We repaired it, we ground it, we welded it, and then we ground it down. Now we've sanded it, okay? We'll take it back to the sanding machine, and we'll probably sand it a little more. These things will last forever. I mean, they are really beefy products. Here is a rear drop guard that we've repaired. Hopefully you can see that where the repair is right there. Okay. And we've repaired its mate as well, right back to a high shine, okay? We keep one that's not shine and when the one's shine so we can show, people how it works, okay? Here's a primary guard. This is the primary guard, okay? This is one we've repaired back to a high shine. And this is another one we've repaired, but we've just kept it. Now we can take this to a high shine or we can spray paint it, either one. Very simple to do. So, just be aware of that, and if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Don't hesitate. We're always available. If I don't answer when you call the first time, I will call you back. We get a lot of calls every day, emails. We've got lots of orders. The inventory is going even faster now because so many people are ordering the polished stainless steel in place of the powder coat. And we've got law enforcement agencies all over the U.S. and Canada ordering anywhere from 12 to 36 sets at a time. So the polished stainless steel, like I said, I'm hoping to make it until at least July or August with that. With that being said, hope you have a great day. And just remember, train hard and ride safe. Take care.